Hello, my name is Glen, and welcome to the second part of my larger Capstone project. To recap, my Capstone project is in 3 parts. The overall goal is to design and implement a revamped VLE, or Virtual Learning Environment, for Full Sail University. Part 1 of my project consisted of reviewing a learning management system, LMS, and Web 2.0 tool called WizIQ, in what is called a relevant innovative learning scenario. In this part, we'll be briefly looking at Wikipedia as a good model for a Full Sail wiki, as well as a tool called MediaWiki that helps one create a wiki for one's own class or office. The third part of my Capstone project will be to look at a good model for social networking, as well as a tool to create a social network for one's own needs. All 3 of these aspects, LMS, Wiki, and social network, would combine to create the comprehensive, cohesive, and streamlined VLE I have envisioned for Full Sail University. To continue into the second part of my Capstone project, one might ask, why incorporate a wiki into Full Sail Online? It is because of the collaborative and educational nature of wikis. A wiki is a place online in which users can create, modify, and share information with each other. Jimmy Wales, co-founder of Wikipedia, advised that the governance of Wikipedia is both, in a way, democratic and monarchical. In his TED Talk, How a Ragtag Band Created Wikipedia, he states that although anyone can freely add, modify, and delete information within the wiki, there is still a high level of order that is maintained. This order comes from the amount of users that continually participate in the learning community, who protects against those who would maliciously tamper with the site. In relation to Full Sail University, implementing a wiki at Full Sail allows those amongst the student, faculty, and staff bodies who truly care to participate within a learning community the ability to do so. This will encourage interaction amongst students in like-minded subject areas, majors, and careers. For faculty, it will be a place to ensure correct information is being shared with students and clarify any misinformation amongst other course directors. This may even engender debates or possibly new perspectives on certain topics, propelling the community forward. For staff, a wiki will provide those dealing with incoming students a place to direct students with particular questions or concerns, those with current students a place to provide assistance, and graduating students a place to connect with other graduates and alumni. It will also be a place to clarify any work-related terminology or procedures amongst staff members as well. Like Wikipedia, any student, staff member, or faculty member will be able to add data to this wiki, but alumni, course directors, and upper management will be able to keep its authenticity in check. As Clay Shirky describes in a keynote address he made at Penn State's Symposium for Teaching and Learning with Technology in 2011, the current and future state of education online in both academic and corporate worlds is with integrated online experiences. With a wiki, students, faculty, and staff will not have to rely on management, represented by the flow of red lines, for answers and guidance, but can consult each other, the flow of green lines, building both the educational and social skills appropriate for a rigorous academic environment. What would make this wiki unique? The entries within this wiki would not just be text-based, but would also implement digital media such as instructional audio clips, enhanced podcasts, and video tutorials. These media applications will engage students more, enhance the learning processes, and encourage further exploration. Regarding the enhanced podcasts and video tutorials, they would follow the Clark and Mayer cognitive principles of multimedia learning, which are the multimedia principle, use words and graphics, contiguity principle, align words to corresponding graphics, modality, use audio narration rather than on-screen text, redundancy, visuals with words in audio or text, not both, coherence, extraneous interesting material hurts learning, personalization, use conversational language and pedagogical coaches, segmentation and pre-training, breaking a larger lesson into smaller parts and creating short lessons on keywords and concepts in advance. To make these digital media applications effective, we will want to follow Clark and Mayer's principles in creating them. For example, within the Full Sail Wiki, there can be an entry for Wiki. The following would be the result. At the top, subject, what the entry is about. Below that, text, information about the entry in typed words. Media, information about the entry in audio and visuals. Reference, sources for information in text, audio, and visual. And finally, related, similar subjects or pre-training entries. The digital media would abide by the principle of multimedia by using pertinent words and graphics, contiguity by situating these pertinent words with corresponding graphics, modality by using audio narration more so than on-screen text, redundancy by displaying graphics with word and audio or text but not at the same time continually, coherence by eliminating the amount of extraneous audio and visual materials that do not pertain directly to the subject entry, personalization by using a conversational tone and or implementing an animated character to aid in understanding the subject entry, segmentation and pre-training by breaking down large content subject entries into smaller subject entries and providing short entries on keywords and concepts that lead to the understanding of the larger subject. For an example of what such a presentation would look like, please see my supplemental video, Digital Media Asset Creation Full Sail Wiki. Here I will briefly delve into the Web 2.0 tool, MediaWiki, and how it can be used to create the Full Sail Wiki. In the next part of my Capstone project, we'll look at a good model for the social network aspect of the revamped Full Sail University VLE. Thank you!